respected guests, Infinity staff, faculty members, and my dear friends. I am Palash. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to the teachers and everyone who acted as a guiding light in my life. It was July 2020. Our batch was started in the pandemic when everyone else was wishing to be inside their homes, safe with their families. But we 17, we were dreaming. We were dreaming to become professional engineers and future managers. And with some sort of determination and enthusiasm, we took admission to this PG program. When it is started, we soon realized that this is a very well-built program and all things that we are need are here. We took our classes virtually for around 6 to 7 months, but we were so stubborn and determined, and we also took advantage of virtual classes also. We recorded and revised it. We had online meetings. We planned and discussed, no matter what time of day it was. Particularly about me, when I look back, I clearly see the difference between the way I was working before and the way I am working now. There is a vast majority of changes that have been taken place, not only in my professional life, but also changed my personality and attitude. I am sure all my fellow colleagues are agree with me. But you know, transformation does not happen overnight. It is well said, a stone is broken by the last stroke of hammer. That doesn't mean that the first few strokes are useless. With our persistence, hard work in the close monitoring and mentoring of all beloved faculties, we have evolved like a beautiful, colorful butterfly. We have learned, sometimes failed, sometimes met our expectation, spent many sleepless nights to make the assignment perfect, and ultimately become who we are today. The dream came true to all of us. Let me share my experience. After graduation, I was working in a local construction company, as I said. During that time, I was constantly feeling that I became an engineer, but just by qualification. I was lacking in the skills that would make me a professional engineer who could manage project, plan efficiently, and has essential technical skills. And today I got all those skills through this program and site internship. We have learned software skills, communication skills, corporate life skills. We have also learned the importance of physical and emotional health through yoga and meditation, which help all of us to remain calm and composed during the stressful time of this pandemic. In our batch, some of my batchmen were freshers who never even had a glimpse of our site culture. During classes, they hesitated initially while presentation, and now look at everyone. Everyone has enhanced in their communication skills and conquered their presentation phobia. During site internship, we work in different departments like quality, safety, planning, execution, and learn working style, profile, and company requirements. At the time of placement, our faculty took efforts to make us more prepared. Mock interviews were conducted. There has been HR round and technical round also. In group studies, we discussed the questions which were asked to the students in earlier placement. And how can I forget the memo wherein we wrote our day-to-day activities and daily progress report off-site. By revising it, we became more prepared for interviews, and due to all these efforts, preparation, almost all of us placed within a month in their area of interest. We got all job of our choice. When we look at the world around, it seems like a fairy tale. And I am proud to be Infineon. It's time to give back to society, and we all must agree. And for all the juniors of 11 batch, I would like to say here, you will get everything. You just have to faith blindly in Infineon and Infinity faculty. When I joined, I didn't dream of getting placed internationally. My only aim was to enhance and develop skills and prove myself as a professional civil engineer. But here I got more than I wish or expected. I want to say you all, come out of your comfort zone. Always try to upgrade yourself. Don't be satisfied where you are right now. If someone has given you assignment or task, try to do it everything you can. Don't just hurry to submit it. Read, listen, comprehend, understand, practice, and build your own personality. seek the excellence, success will follow you. And what you think you become, here it is written. We all believe in this tagline of Infinity, and our batch, the 9th batch, we say what Infinity promised, Infinity deliver. So